Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about ampicillin. This guide will help you understand what it is and how to use it correctly. Ampicillin is a very useful antibiotic for fighting different bacterial infections. It's used to treat infections of the respiratory system, urinary tract, gastrointestinal tract, and also skin infections. For example, if you have bronchitis, a urinary tract infection, or salmonellosis, ampicillin could be a good option. Are you wondering how it works? Well, ampicillin prevents bacteria from growing because it damages their cell walls. Without those walls, bacteria can't survive or multiply. Regarding the dosage and how to take it, the most important thing is to follow exactly what your doctor tells you. In general, for adults, the initial dose is usually between 250 and 500 milligrams every 6 hours, but this varies depending on the severity of the infection. It's essential that you complete the treatment, even if you feel better before finishing it, to get rid of all the bacteria. Like any medication, ampicillin can have side effects. The most common ones are nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. In very rare cases, it can cause serious allergic reactions. And of course, if you are allergic to penicillin, you should not use it. In short, ampicillin is a very effective tool against bacterial infections, but it must be used carefully. Always see your doctor before taking it and follow their instructions exactly. I hope this guide has been helpful. Take care and see you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.